Easy and delicious chicken recipe. You've never made it like this before. In a medium bowl, start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, black pepper to taste, 3 minced garlic cloves, the juice of 1/2 lime, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix all the ingredients very well until combined. This is the right blend. Next, top 8 chicken drumsticks with all this dressing, and spread using your hands just like this. Once you've done that, transfer all the drumsticks to a large bowl. Cover with plastic wrap, take to the fridge, and chill for at least 40 minutes. Meanwhile, cut 4 medium potatoes. Cut the edges, then cut in half, just like this. Next, transfer all these potatoes to a medium bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 drizzle of olive oil, and mix until the spices incorporate. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Once you've done that, transfer all the potatoes to a baking sheet lined with non-stick baking paper. And insert 3 toothpicks in each potato. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Now, insert the drumsticks we prepared just like this. Finally, take to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 50 minutes. But keep an eye out, baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.